You can expect a lot from the 2016 Toyota 4Runner. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, front fog lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, skid plates, rear wipers, and power seats. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Toyota's comprehensive certification process. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.